ผมมีอีกหนึ่ง college ที่จะมาเป็นตัวเลือกให้พวกท่านนั้นได้พิจารณากันสำหรับมหาวิทยาลัย college นี้นะฮะมีชื่อว่า Loyalist College สำหรับ Loyalist College ตัวนี้เนี่ยนะฮะอยู่ที่ where is it Belleville where is it Belleville Ontario also in Ontario yep so ladies and gentlemen please give a big round of applause to Anne Asada from Loyalist College
Good afternoon, everyone. Arinda Pawinin of Pacific Premier, thank you so much for making this event possible and looking forward for more sets of these things. With my esteemed co-representative presidents of the schools, thank you so much for being here. I've learned a lot of things about your schools. What do you have? But for now, give me a couple minutes of your time to let you know who's Loyalist College. So we've been in the industry since 1967. So we're in the province of Ontario. We do have two campuses. Our main campus is located in Belleville, Ontario, and another one is in Port Hope. So just proximity-wise, I know that most of Asian students or even Asian nationalities per se, may it be Filipinos, Thailanders, Vietnamese, most of them their interest is in Toronto area, which is totally understandable because it's a melting pot. Proximity-wise, we're about an hour and a half away from downtown Toronto, which is pretty much accessible via rail or train, like your BTS or SkyRail, and by driving your car. Good news about my college right now is offering free airport shuttle pickup for new students and 3 days hotel accommodation per se. So what you're seeing right now on your screen is our main campus. We are perfectly situated in a downtown Belleville, in between Montreal and Ottawa. It's about 2 hours to 3 hours of travel. So this is our Port Hope campus. As of the moment, we have 5 programs. Our main campus holds up to 70 full-time programs. So this is one of my favorite slides during the presentation. You heard about on-campus residence. What's the advantage of it? It always gives you the upper hand of not being late, of course, because it's about 3 to 5 minutes away from our main campus. Next is you'll be able to accustom yourself in terms of different nationalities because this would be a shared accommodation. We offer the most affordable on-campus residence with about 3,800 Canadian dollars per year. Again, that's 3,800 Canadian dollars, and you can cook inside your accommodation. I want to highlight the difference of Loyalist College. I've been hearing questions like, for example, just like what you always ask with my esteemed colleagues here, like, what sets you apart? In general, studying in any Canadian institution, may it be college, polytechnic, or universities, comparatively, the academic studies that we are providing for you open up the whole world for you. May it be even in elementary or high school. So as part of our growing international community, we want to make sure that everyone gets the same level of benefits, may it be international or domestic student. I always say student is a student, so they have to have an access with free tutoring services, counseling, and of course, being an international student, you are allowed to work part-time. So we do have the Career Center. It works as your one-stop shop. What does it mean? It means that this is your access if you're looking for a part-time job. We do a lot of things for you for free, like we connect you with industry-led companies and even work on with your CVs. And lastly, we put your CV on the job bank plus mock interview or practice interview for you to be prepared. And also, since that we are a public college in Canada, we do offer co-op. This is your paid internship and work placements as well. A little bit of numbers for you guys. We may not be as massive as other institutions here in this fair, but we are welcoming 3,800 international and domestic students coming from 30 different nationalities. And I'm proud to say that we still have 92.3% graduates were able to get their job within Belleville within 6 months, and 100% employer satisfaction rate because of our co-op and work placement program, plus rank 1 of Canada's top 50 research college because of our biotechnic or biochemical program. Most question that I receive or encountering during a presentation is how much is the per hourly rate in our city. So looking at the screen right now, if you will be at the general labor with basic experience, you'll get $21.26. Mind you, in Ontario, it's about $15 to $17. But for Belleville, we're about $21.26. Here are the programs that we do offer and the tuition fee. I would say we are one of the most competitive or affordable. A total in a ballpark of 17,000 Canadian dollars, you'll be able to experience or to gain your international credential at Loyalist College. I'll skip the process. Earlier, I told you about the job opportunities on campus. You'll meet 5 of those students. We have Olu, Vanessa, Hayden. We even have Ocean, one of our esteemed student, and they'll give you a quick trip at Loyalist College. Huh.
Hello everyone, my name is Ocean and this is why students are choosing Loyalist College. Let's see.
My name is Riya Shfai. I'm from Afghanistan. I'm an international student at Loyalist College.
So we
I
do
didn't
have
love
our
study
own
at Loyalist
stationery
College.
shop.
It's like my second home, and I feel very good in here.
Hi, my name is Hayden Smith. I'm a student at Loyalist College. I work here in the SAL and also the Failsafe. My main job here is to help students with printing, and I also take classes here in mechatronics.
Hi, my name is Stakio. I'm coursing computer science technician at Loyalist College. Studying at Loyalist College, it was a unique experience. I could have like too many points in its favor, such as the level of the teachers, the diversity of the course, or the resources that they have to support students.
Hi, my name is Olurotimi Ojagwa. I'm a year 1 nursing student here in Loyalist College. I started this course since last year and it's a BSc course. And as I finish, I'm going to be a full-fledged nurse. In Loyalist College, it's one of the best colleges in Ontario here where you get full practical knowledge of nursing. I want you to be in this school. This is the best school for you. Thank you.
I'm all set to fly into the next chapter of my life. And Loyalist College, I'm gonna miss you.
I really like the school. Loyalist has been a really good experience for me. It's been super diverse, and I really like the community around it. And the professors and everyone who works here have been great to me.
Diversity of activities to encourage your potential. I really love to study here because I could know what can I do what I want to do in the future.
I really appreciate it from Loyalist College for supportive and environment in here.
We hope you enjoyed this video and remember, daily കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ചെറുതിൽ തുടങ്ങാം.
nǹkan kékeré máa fún wa ní nǹkan ńlá.
Las pequeñas cosas te dan el poder de hacer grandes cosas.
Small gives us the power to do big things.
Hello everyone.
So there you have it. Our tagline will always be small give us the power to do big things. As mentioned earlier, we may not be as big as other institutions here in terms of numbers, but this help us to make sure that all of our students were able to have the access to the benefits that we are offering and making sure that they have a good future once that they're done within their program. Again, if you do have questions, feel free to stop on my booth, and if you have questions for me, I'm going to...
Big round of applause to Ann Asada. Ann, please come up on the stage.
All right.
Let's stand together here. Are you Filipinos?
I am a Filipino 100%.
100% Filipinos. You know, today we have like so many Asian face in here, this kind of event.
Yep.
I've been to many educational events, but I've never seen the executives like this much who have an Asian face. In the morning we have from Stan State, Kayla. Kayla has a Korean blood, right? So you still look like Korean. We have like Indonesian, we have Chinese, we have Filipinos. So this is why we can be so sure that for the Thai people
Yep.
who want to go study abroad or working there or even to live your life there in Canada, you will be very comfortable and safe. What do you think?
It is 100% diverse. We represent who is Canada now. Before, when you say Canada, they only talk about white folks.
Yeah,
When
right.
it
I
comes
think so.
down to
I used to
Canada,
think that way.
Yep. But now I personally experienced this when I visited my campus. It's culturally diverse. It's not only language based, but also with how they treat people. In my place, even if you may say 65,000 is a little bit of number, but for Canada, that's a lot. The total population of Canada right now is about 41 million. In the
Right.
Philippines, it's 110 million Filipinos living in the Philippines, of course.
Right.
In Thailand, you're about 71 million.
Yeah, around 70
About 70 million. So if we're talking about numbers,
population.
population-wise, 45 million doesn't sound a lot, but it is a lot for Canadians. And
Right.
I'm pretty sure that once these students experience what I have experienced, they would want to stay, not only for studies, but of course for long-term
Right.
training that they have.
Exactly. And what is the most interesting part that I just heard from your presentation is the foreign students can work there,
Yep.
and the Canadian government support the foreign exchange student to work.
Yep.
It's legally.
It's legal. They have 24 hours, if my memory serves me right. So that's 3 full shifts. On top of it, if you study at Loyalist College, you can also work on campus, which means it's an additional hours for you, not only by funding, but also experience.
Right.
So study hours, 25 hours maximum per week. So it's not that bad. It's not that
Exactly. นี่คืออีกหนึ่งข้อดีนะครับ ถ้าหากว่าท่านไปเรียนอยู่ที่ประเทศอื่นที่เป็นประเทศพูดภาษาอังกฤษเหมือนกันนะครับ แต่เขาอาจจะไม่ให้ท่านทำงานเสริมก็ได้ แต่สำหรับที่แคนาดานะฮะท่านสามารถที่จะทำจ็อบเสริมได้ โดยที่ได้รับการสนับสนุนจากรัฐบาลแคนาดาด้วยนะฮะได้เงินได้ฝึกภาษาได้ประสบการณ์นะครับ Give me one reason why we have to send our children to Loyalist College.
When Centennial says practical learning, hands-on learning, that's the same thing that Loyalist College offer. But one that really stands out is our supportive community within the international students that we have at Loyalist College. Coming from 30 to 40 different nationalities, that says a lot.
Thank you very much. Please give a big round of applause to Ann Asada. Thank you very much.